This is day one of the trek. That's the starting point, and the campsite we are going today is called Jobra. It's like around 1.5 kilometers from here, so day one is pretty easy. The first view of the campsite from here. So it was an easy walk. I think we just walked for around 40 minutes till now. This is day one campsite, and it is roughly around 9,000 feet. This is day two of the trek. We woke up at 6 a.m. 8:30 we are ready to move to the next campsite. So looks like the day is going to be clear as of now. However, there are lots of clouds, so possibility of rain is still there. The first resting point, I think we have walked for around half an hour until now. We will be doing 3 river crossings today. 2 of them would be via the wooden bridge, and one of them we have to walk through the river. The day 2 trek is almost over. So the highlight of the day 2 was the river crossing, but the water was biting cold. The day started with a gradual ascent followed by a steep ascent. I think in total we walked for around 6 kilometers. Good morning, it's 8 a.m. and it's very cloudy. It rained a bit in the morning. The clouds coming out from the mountains as if somebody has lighted a firewood. We will be starting from this campsite to Balu Ka Ghera at around 9 a.m.
Mentioned that today is going to be 4.5 kilometers and we are not doing any river crossing today.
Departing view of the campsite. You can see the clouds coming down from the mountains and totally enveloping the campsite. It seems today is the last day we are going to see patches of flowers. Tomorrow the view will totally change because we'll be moving towards the Lahaul side where it's a desert like environment. It's day 4. The day has come when we have to climb up the Hamta Pass and go to the Lahaul side, and this is the view in the morning. The clouds are almost gone and it's bright and sunny. I hope it remains the same until we have crossed the pass. There is a big sandy patch over here beside the river, and this is the reason it is known as Balu Ka Ghera campsite. The climb starts from here. So we basically have to chase this waterfall, and finally that waterfall which you can see in the distance, we have to walk beside that waterfall and climb up to the pass. There are 3 steep climbs, so we are almost through the first one. The glacier feeding the water streams. We have to walk on this glacier. We have almost reached. It's around 5 to 10 minutes more. Finally we have started the descent to Shia Guru. First view of Shia Guru campsite. Shia Guru means cold valley. So it was a very long walk today. I think it was more than 9 kilometers. Good morning from Shia Guru. It's 7:30 a.m. Everyone is packing up for moving ahead to the last campsite, which is Chhatru. It's going to be around 6 kilometers from here, and it's probably just walking alongside this river and a little bit of climbing, but not too much. It will be a gradual walk. Last river crossing of the day and of this trek. The trek got over. We have reached the Chhatru campsite and it's 2:30 p.m. We got little delayed, but overall the trek was really great. It didn't rain any time we were trekking, although it did when we reached the campsite, but the best part of the whole trip is yet to be over, because tomorrow we are going to Chandratal in the morning.